Here we have a problem on indices, that is we have to simplify this expression. Okay, let me write the expression. 6 times a times b to the power of 2 times c to the power of 3 times 4 times b to the power of minus 2 c to the power of minus 3 times d. Okay, so to simplify this expression, first I have to multiply the numbers, that is 6 and 4. When I multiply 6 and 4, I get 24. Okay, now we can cross out 6 and 4 because then only easily we can identify the numbers or terms which we have to multiply. Okay, now we can multiply the terms with the same base. There is only one term with the base a, so we can take the a as it is. And I find two terms with the base b, that is b power 2 and b power minus 2. According to one of the laws of exponents, if I multiply two terms with the same base, what I need to do is I have to take the base once and I have to add the two exponents. So 2 plus minus 2. Okay, so we can cross out b to the power of 2, b to the power of minus 2. Now I find two terms with the base c. So I take the base once and I add the exponents, 3 plus of minus 3. Okay, I find only one term with the base d, so I take the base, d as it is. Okay, now we have taken all the terms. So 24 times a to the power of b, so 2 plus times minus will be in minus, and c to the power of 3 minus 3 times d. So 24 to the power 24 times a times b to the power of 0, because 2 minus 2 is 0, and c to the power of 0 times d. Already we know that anything to the power 0 is equal to 1. So the value of b to the power of 0 is 1. The value of c to the power of 0 is also 1. So 24 times a times 1 is a times 1 is a. So we get a times d. So when we simplify the given expression, 6a b square c to the power of 3 times 4b to the power of minus 2 c to the power of minus 3 times d, we get 24a times d.